Welcome. This short tutorial will show you how to make a vocabulary list for an entire work using bridge lists. To begin, select your language, then click plus to add your text or texts. In this case, let's take a look at the vocabulary in Virgil's Eclogues. We could add a selection. We could specify a selection, but today let's go for the whole text. Click Save, and then the Next button. At this point, we could exclude words we already know, reveal those words in common between text we already know and the Eclogues, but let's select I don't want to customize my list to create a full list. Click on Make a List, and there you go. All 1,621 words in Virgil's Eclogues. You can print, export, or refine your list in a number of ways. I'll show you how to use these options in a later video. But for now, happy reading.